everyone, welcome back to Fiber Theory. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a back post triple crochet. What I'm going to need you to do first is make your foundation chain and then get at least 8 double crochets, 10 double crochets in your foundation, and then we will get going. Okay, let's get started. Go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. So a few videos back I showed you guys how to make a triple crochet, and we're going to use that same concept in this stitch. So you'll need to make sure that you have a chain of 3 here before we turn our work. Now in the last video I taught you guys how to make the front post triple crochet. Today I'm going to teach you to do it from the back, and it's the same thing as it was with the back post triple. You're going to go ahead and yarn over twice, and then you're going to work from the back. So instead of going into the space between the posts here from the front to the back, you're going to go from the back to the front through that same space. Okay, and then you're going to kind of roll your hook over the top of this post right here and into the space here between the posts. Okay, so take your hook between that big space there, yarn over, grab your yarn and pull it through that space. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, and you're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's try that again. Yarn over twice, take your hook behind, in through that space between those 2 posts here, around the next post like this, go through the space on the other side of the post, grab your yarn, pull it through. You'll have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's try it one more time. Yarn over twice. Remember which post you're going to be working around next, and then you'll know what space to go into. Go through that space there next to the post you're going to work, around the post into the other space like this. Grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, grab it again, pull it through the second 2 loops, and then pull it through the last 2. And that is all you're doing. So make sure you yarn over twice, through the space between the posts, around the post, through the next space over, grab the yarn, and you're just going to go ahead and finish off that triple crochet. So go ahead and continue practicing to the very end of the row, and I will meet you at the end. Okay guys, so as we're coming down to this very last post, I've just finished this post here, and then you'll have this post at the end. Now when you're working from the back, go ahead and yarn over twice and go through that space here, around the post, grab the yarn, pull it through, and finish off the triple crochet just like you did with the others. And that's all there is to it. And right there you have just learned how to make a back post triple crochet. Be sure to tune in for my next video where I am going to teach you guys how to make the coveted crocheted cables. I'll see you then. Still need to learn the front post triple crochet? Click on this video to learn how before moving on.